welcome to the special edition brought to you by Republic Business. I'm Gunjan Rajput, your host for today, and we are back with decoding the markets. Today, the D-Day have finally begun. The Trump have imposed 26% tariffs on India, and Indian markets are feeling little jittery. They opened on a gap-up note, but recovered during the day. But to decode the whole market outlook, we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Jatin Gedia. He is a technical research analyst at Sharekha. Hello, sir. We welcome you on Republic Media Network. Sir, today the D-Day have finally happened. The Indian stock market opened on a gap-up note, but recovered during the day. What's your outlook on that?
Hello everyone. So as far as the Nifty is concerned, the Indian markets witnessed a gap down, or we can say a knee-jerk reaction in today's trading session. Our post that gap down opening, what we have seen is that 23,100 on the Nifty has acted as a crucial support, and all the selling pressure was absorbed at that level. Post that, we are seeing the Nifty trading with minor losses during the day. So we can conclude that for the tariff concerns were more or less discounted by the market because we have averted a major price damage on the Nifty or on the broader index. Also, the market breadth is looking positive today. So I think the broader market has already discounted this beforehand, and now we are seeing only a minor cut on the Nifty. So I think it has already been discounted.
All right, so another factor that I want to speak about is the sector-specific stocks. Before the D-Day, it was all about the pharma stock and the IT stock. At the moment in today's trading session, the IT stocks are down, but the pharma stocks are rising. Specifically, if we talk about the IT sector, from past 2-3 months, both in the Indian and the US market, the IT stocks have taken the major hit so far. And also in the Indian sector, if we talk about Infosys and HCL Tech, were the major hits. What's your outlook on that? And when exactly we can see the IT stock gonna sustain a rally?
See, the IT stocks have, actually faced the major brunt of this tariff announcement. The IT index is down almost 4% in today's trading session. And what we are observing is that in case of Nifty IT, the crucial support for Nifty IT is around 34,000 to 33,800. So, what I believe is that the pace or the declines might be a little toned down as we are approaching the crucial support levels. However, on the upside, 35,200 is the immediate level or the immediate hurdle that the Nifty IT has to surpass for the recovery to kick in. So crucial support levels for Nifty IT are placed at around 34,000 to 33,800, and on the upside, the resistance is at 35,200. What we are observing majorly on the frontline IT stocks is that they have been under selling pressure since last 2 to 3 months. Now, post this announcement, what we feel that the gap down opening that we saw today might be the climax selling that we might see in this IT stock. So majority of the you can say the bad news has been discounted, and now the market will look forward to the quarterly earnings that are slated to start during the second week of April. So now the focus for the IT from the global front now shifts to the domestic quarterly results announcements.
Sir, if we talk about the pharma stock, major stocks, I have to name it, it's Sun Pharma and Dr. Reddy's, and other pharma stock that have soared over 10% in today's market session altogether. What's your outlook on that? Is this rally going to sustain, or the pharma stocks are also come down? Are there jitters around the pharma stocks?
Yeah, see, in the case of Nifty Pharma, what we see is that because the pharma stocks were not included in this tariff announcement, they saw a positive reaction in today's trading session. And post the positive or the gap up opening, we saw the Nifty Pharma facing some profit booking at higher levels. So, in the case of Nifty Pharma, we are expecting the level of 22,000 to be surpassed for this rally that we saw in today's trading session to continue. So, since it has witnessed some profit booking at higher levels, we believe that it might consolidate before starting the next leg of the up move. So, 22,000 is the level to watch out for in the case of Nifty Pharma. And our preferred picks from the Pharma pack are Laurus Labs, Biocon, Lupin, and Sun Pharma. So these are our preferred picks. Our outlook is positive on the pharma sector.
So another factor that I want to speak about is that how do you see these tariffs impacting the foreign institutional investor sentiments towards the Indian equities?
See, for most part of March, that is last month, we saw the FIIs numbers were on the positive side. So they are on the buying side after many months of selling. So we can expect this momentum or the buying interest from the FIIs to continue in the month of April as well. Yes, there was a 1 day, 2 day kind of a selling that we saw. But I believe that since the market is holding on to crucial support levels on the Nifty, we can expect the buying interest from the FIs to resume very soon. So we are expecting the FIs to continue with their buying that we saw in the month of March.
What are the key levels should investors watch in Nifty and Sensex amid the whole tariff Trump saga going on?
Yeah, see, I'll give the levels for Nifty because it's widely used. I think on the Nifty, the crucial support level is around 23,100 to 23,000. If that is breached, then the next major support comes in at 22,800. So on the upside, 23,600 is the immediate hurdle, and above that, 23,800 from where this correction started is the next level to watch out for on the upside. So 23,100 to 22,900 is the crucial support zone, and on the upside 23,600 to 23,800 is the crucial resistance for the Indian markets from a short-term perspective.
What is the outlook in the long term? As of short term, we have already seen the kind of impact we were anticipating that is going to have on the Indian stock market has already been shown. But what in the long term? What are the other market swings we can see?
See, in the case of Indian markets, what we have seen is at around 16% kind of a correction post the last 5 months, we can say from September last month, so September last year to May, around March, early March. So around 5 months of correction, and post that we had this huge rally of around 16 to 1800 points. So I think that around 22,000 we believe that the short-term bottom is in place for the Indian markets, even if there is a sustained news flow which can lead to some amount of correction. But we believe that 22,000 level from a medium-term perspective is a bottom in place in our perspective, and on the upside, we believe that 24,500 on the upside can be a medium-term hurdle for the Nifty from a 6 month kind of a perspective. So more or less, the Nifty is likely to consolidate between 22,000 and 24,500 from a 3 to 6 month kind of a perspective.
All right, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on Republic Media Network. It was such a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you so much.